Hello royalties, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and today's video I am going to be showing you a glam tablescape. If that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright royalties, let's get this glam tablescape video started. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of Decor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This video is part of a collaboration hosted by Thrift Queen Blogs. Now, if you're not a family member of Thrift Queen, please make sure you go over and check out Joan's channel. Her channel link is in my description box. We had to create a spur of the moment tablescape, so I'm going to let you see what I created, and I'm going to come back on the end to tell you how I set up this table and the rules. If you're still watching and you haven't become part of the Glam Queen of Decor channel, please go ahead and make sure you subscribe. All DIYs featured comes from the Glam Queen of Decor, and make sure you check out Thrift Queen Vlogs. Alright you guys, now this table setting was actually a spur of the moment tablescape hosted by Thrift Queen, which is Joan. And she asked us to set up a dinner table. Your spouse is coming in from work and is bringing a couple with them, so you had to do dinner and hurry up and quickly set the table. And the table was actually supposed to be transitioning out of winter, not just a full winter tablescape. But the key was we can only use what we had. And I just pulled out most of my stuff right now is in my storage. So I pulled out what was left sitting. That's the reason why this vase here is still sitting in the house. And it has a few ferns and a few, what I still say, wintertime picks in it. But the vase, you guys, actually came from Ross, and it was $17.99, and I've had that for a few months now. The glassware came from Dollar Tree with that water glass DIY. I DIY'd it, and I done that months ago. The charger came from Dollar Tree. The plates are actually family heirloom plates, and I don't have my glasses, but the plate and the sauce, and I also have the bowls with them. They're Gershon 1814s. The silverware, you guys, is actually, I got that from, I ordered it from, I ordered quite a bit. It's the plastic silverware. The napkins came from, was actually gifted from Creatively Miss Me, and I think it was Tablecloth Factory that she got them from. The napkin ring came from Shandy. It was a gift from Shandy's Home Decor and Lifestyle, and they were from Z Gallery. This is my spur of the moment, use what you got tablescape, and I semi-set my hutch up to semi-match because we are still in the middle of transitioning out of winter to spring as well. Please make sure you go over and check out Thrift Queen's channel. Joan, if you're not a family member of hers, please make sure you join her family. You will love her content. She does tablescapes, hauls, thrifting. She has some amazing content. Please check her out. It is also a playlist for the Spur of the Moment Tablescape. Hit that link and check out what the other fabulous content creators did create. Thank you for the Spur of the Moment Tablescape collaboration. Joan, I enjoyed myself at the Spur of the Moment. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day, and we will see you in the next upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Once again, make sure you check out Thrift Queen Vlogs. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen Unboxing. I appreciate your love and support. See you in the next one.